Hey everybody, just want to do a quick P3 update. I've been... Really? You haven't barked all day. All day you haven't barked. Anyway, sorry. Yeah, just want to give a quick P3 update. I think last time that I left off, I was 154.4. That was day 8, I believe, of P3. So today is day 11, and I was 153.2. So for the last 2 days, I've actually gone down 1.2 pounds and 0.4 pounds this morning. A couple of things that I added in over the last few days. I had a mac and cheese burger, which is obviously not on P3. The burger part, possibly. However, the mac and cheese, definitely not. But I did only have half of that. I split the other half with my husband, and then I had a small Caesar salad to go with that. Last night we added in... we eat the Ezekiel bread, but we decided to try the Ezekiel pasta noodles because they have Ezekiel spaghetti. And it's a little different than regular spaghetti as far as like cooking it, and then there's kind of like a little, like a film that's almost like left on your fork. It's kind of weird. But, you know, we did that with some organic tomato sauce with no sugar, and then my husband had made turkey meatballs, so that's what we had last night. And then, like I said, yeah, I did wake up this morning to a 0.4 loss, so 1.6 pounds lost total in the last 2 days, which is weird because I haven't been doing anything different. So, I did notice that last time I forgot to give you guys my measurements. So, the last time that I measured was on the 23rd, and then the next time that I measure will be on March 1st, so on Thursday. So, I was the same in my arms, same in my chest, same in my waist, and down 1/2 inch in my hips. So, it looks like, you know, still losing inches, which is good. Hips are really like it seems like they wait until the very last second. So, yeah, so I'm happy with my P3 right now. I'm just still stabilizing, and so that's good. A couple of things that I'm doing, or, you know, just kind of have questions about. I am, trying to follow like a few rules of the leptin diet. I don't eat after dinner, like that type of thing. But really, I mean, I'm not focusing too much on that just because I've been stabilizing well, just staying on the P3 foods. One thing that I do not do on P3, and I don't know if it's because I'm not thirsty or that I am thirsty when I'm on P2, is I'm not getting my water in like I should. I'm definitely not getting 2 liters of water. If anything, I would drink more water when we have bottles of water here, but we're out right now, so I just find myself just not drinking as much water. So I know, you know, obviously that's still important, but on P3, is it as important as on P2? I'm not really sure, so maybe somebody could clarify that. Last night, my husband and I did, it was my first exercise for P3, so sorry. My first exercise for P3, we did a 1.5 mile run, and it wasn't too bad. You know, the run was fine. I thought that I was going to be up this morning. I figured that I would, you know, have retained a little bit of water, but I wasn't, so who knows. And, yeah, so the run was good. It was freezing cold outside, though, so it hurts my throat when I run in the cold. Another thing is that I find that I may not be getting as many calories as I need in P3, so I'm not really sure, you know, how do you guys determine how many calories you need as far as like, is it just a regular, you know, 1,200 calories is a maintain, you know, to maintain, or I'm not really sure, because I am still eating the P2 foods, and then every once in a while, you know, I'll have like the P3 stuff, but I find myself like stuffed, literally stuffed, you know, chicken breasts, green beans, and an orange is what I had for lunch, and I was stuffed, you know. So the only thing that we do is we add the Laughing Cow cheese. I spread that on top of the chicken breast, so good. And And then I had a Faya yogurt and some carrots and ranch. And today was actually the first day that I did ranch, and I don't even think that's a P3 food, but I haven't been affected by my Caesar dressing for my Caesar salads, so I'm just going to try the ranch today. And then carrots was a new food today as well. So yeah, so things are going good for me. So I just wanted to give a quick update, and I'll probably update you guys again on Thursday. My dad's coming to visit on Wednesday, so that will be fun. And I do measurements on Thursday, so I'll probably do a short update video on Thursday. So hope everyone is doing well and stabilizing. Oh, and one other thing. I did notice on a couple of vlogs, Hebby Dobby did one, HCG Chica, about the, no longer being able to get prescription or RX HCG. So I tried to find, all the websites that I had ordered from previously, and none of them are working. I tried to use someone else's invite code for pharmacy refills, escrow refills, yeah. .com, and it didn't work for me, but then I actually had ordered from them previously and it will work. But now I'm kind of thinking like, okay, I'm done and I want to be done, and so I'm hoping that if I don't order more and it becomes that I can't order it, that it will, be my motivation to really stick to this lifestyle, once I'm done. So I did, however, order some homeopathic drops because I'm just interested in experimenting with them. I just, I'd like to, I know that there's people that say that they are completely fake and that it's a placebo, but then does that just show that a placebo actually, works? So I'm just interested because I've always done RX, and I'm really down to the point where I don't need to lose much more, maybe 10 pounds. So I'd like to experiment with those and just kind of see, what's up. And I do have one more ampule of my RX HCG. Like I said, I am doing a short P3 and then going, right back into P2, so we'll see how that goes. And I did order Weight Loss Apocalypse off of Amazon, so that should be here on Thursday, so I'm excited to start reading that. Other than that, that's all for me, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!